If you're considering enrolling in this program, I say do it. It's literally here in Temecula. You can't beat that, and you get a cohort system, which not a lot of big name universities have in their bachelor's programs.
You do meet a lot of cool people, you learn a lot, and you don't have to fight for your classes. It's already set for you.
One of the best parts of attending this program is that you get to zero in on your career options. So for me, after graduation, I intend to apply to an internship within human resources. This program has directed me to the Cal State San Marcos mentorship program, where they get you connected with volunteer mentors from around the Temecula, San Diego, or Riverside County area. And they will help you by doing one-on-ones, weekly sessions to help guide you towards developing your career goals and just overall giving you a guidance on what choices you can make.
So the BSBA program has actually helped a lot more than just skills. More of it was personal growth, a lot of listening and even response. I find that this has helped me a lot with not only my personal life, but with my career. So I've taken courses like interpersonal communication and public speaking. This made me really confident in my speaking ability to speak in front of crowds. I've always had a slight confidence, but it just honed my skills even more. So now I do not get anxiety, or I don't get like a butterfly in my stomach right before a presentation. As well as my personal life, I think it has actually made my connections, my networking and relationships stronger than they already were due to this.
This program has enhanced my professional capabilities as a business student. I've only had my job experience up until now. I work in retail, so I'm actually learning a lot of things on the business side that I never knew existed, so I'm actually becoming a better business professional because of this program.
One of the programs that I credit with being so valuable to my learning is the professional development. You get to learn a lot about how you can develop your skills as a business professional. That course helps you with your networking skills, it helps you with your interview and resume skills, and it also connects you with volunteer business professionals who help develop your public speaking skills, and it's just generally a really amazing program to study under. The professors are very much invested in your learning. You will become so grateful that you have many people on your side here.
The staff and the professors have supported me whenever I'm struggling or I need a question answered. Even whether it is in person or over email, they are fast and respond really efficiently.
Attending this program has really opened my eyes to what is out there and has led me to be directly involved and engaged within my own networking and doing outreach with other business professionals. This program has led me to network with many CEOs and many local small business owners around the Temecula area, and it's generally just been so instrumental in my development here at Cal State San Marcos.
Through the BSBA program, in order to graduate, we do a senior experience. With this, we work with a local company based out of San Diego or Temecula. I had the chance to work with a company based out of Temecula, California. We did the marketing campaign. So with this, we did mock posts. I also created a schedule for them to post on social media in order to grow their engagement. And I think it was overall great to get real world experience for marketing.
Being a part of this program has really changed me for good. Before even applying, I had no friend group I could call my own. I had essentially no interest in continuing my educational journey before applying to this program. After this past year, I have made so many good friends that I genuinely cherish and will continue to call my friends for life. And those friends will help me through anything. I can come to them and they can come to me. And we have just developed a great rapport personally and with our professional growth that I can genuinely say that you will definitely find those who you could call your friend and or family at Cal State San Marcos.